Hello, my name is Donna Eden, and these are your Wednesday Energy Minutes. And if I'm sweating, so sorry, it's nearly 100 degrees out here where I am at this very epic bridge, which I'll tell you about in a few minutes. But first, you have a little valve in your body that's probably playing a huge part. If you have GERD, diverticulitis, SIBO, leaky gut syndrome, diarrhea, constipation, skin issues, bloating. Ugh, who wants bloating? This little valve is called the ileocecal valve. When my sister and I were younger, we'd call it ileo the seagull, but it's called the ileocecal valve. You need to know about it because you can help it. It's connected to your small intestine, your large intestine. It's directly influenced by the vagus nerve. And I'm going to show you where it is in just a moment and give you a technique you can do which might just change your life. But basically, it's inside your right hip bone. If this shows opposite, just remember your right hip bone. And it's meant to rhythmically open and close. But it doesn't always do that because it can get stuck from waste and food and toxins. I'm going to back up. I'm going to show you how to do the technique. You're going to do it with me with your right hand, and we're going to massage up inside the right hip bone. Do you see that? Massaging up, just pressing in and pulling up. You can do it as many times as you want. I do use a bit of pressure, like a light massage. And then just a couple of times down. You're going to train your ileocecal valve to open and shut rhythmically as it should. Now, some people will warm up their hands and just hold it. Some people will massage all around the area. That could be tender, especially if you need it. In Eden method, we pull up and then down a couple of times. I hope this helps you. Now, the bridge, it's the George Bailey Bridge from It's a Wonderful Life. Oh my goodness. The epic bridge. I am in Seneca Falls, New York. This is a hotbed of history. In 1848, the entire United States women's movement started here with notable women like Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Lucretia Mott and Amelia Bloomer. What an incredible part of the world. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.